That's good.
Locking up.
I caught that up. Alright. Let me handle this. Can you hit? Come on with a nail, man. Hit things. I said, can you hit? Yeah, hit. Alright, I got it. Well, where you at? I'm sorry. But you don't go across, man. Come on. What, man? Oh, I got nail right.
Hey, Dom. Hey, Dom. You know how to do that?
Nah, I don't know about that.
I was making sure you ain't gonna lie,
Never
nigga.
put a flow down in my life, nothing.
There you go, son.
Huh?
Put it up on that.